What's up, guys? This is a 2015 Lexus NX 200T, and you see I got the maintenance light required right there. So if you do all your own work or you go to someone that's not a certified dealer, they're not going to reset it sometimes. So, but you don't want to be seeing that every time you drive. So this is how to reset it. It's rather easy. Just press this N button right here, and then scroll to, you see the gear button. It looks like gears. There it is. It's maintenance. Settings, and then just scroll down to whatever you want to reset. In this case, I'm resetting the scheduled maintenance, so hit OK. Sure you want to reset? Yes. And it's been reset. It's as easy as that. Just exit back out, and it's good to go. So I appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.